Good morning students. In the last class we had studied about indefinite article. Today we will study about definite article. Which is a definite article? Yes, the is a definite article. It is called definite article because it points out a particular person or things. Let us study the use of definite article. First one, the is used before a common noun or used for a particular person or thing. Example, this is the man who met with an accident. Second example, give me the ball lying on the floor. So, here identifying the particular ball. Next, it is used before a noun which is unique. Here unique means which is only one of its kinds. For example, the sun, the earth, the moon, the sky. Next use, the is used before the names of holy books or epic and before the newspaper. Example, the Times of India, the Bible, the Ramayana. Here the Times of India is the newspaper. Bible means what? It is a holy book of Christians. Next one, the Ramayana. As all of you know that Ramayana is an epic. Next, the is used before the historical events. For example, the First World War, the Battle of Panipat, etc. Next, before the historical monuments, ship, trains, etc. For example, the Victoria Memorial. So, here it is a monument. And the Titanic. Titanic is the name of the ship. The Rajdhani Express, it is a train. The article the is used when a person or a thing is repeated. For example, there lived an elephant across the river. The elephant was fond of bananas. Here for the first time we used an before the elephant. When the elephant word is repeated again, at that time we use the in front of elephant because we are talking about that particular elephant. Next one, the article the is also used with the name of geographical phenomena, means before the names of river, mountain, etc. For example, the Ganga, the Himalaya, the desert, etc. Student, here Ganga and Himalaya is a proper noun, but we have used the article the before the word. Why? Because it is used with the name of geographical phenomena. Let us see some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the suitable article a, an and the. First one, dash lotus is our national flower. So, which word article you are using here? The, means we are mentioned the particular name there. Second, bird are flying in dash sky, flying in the sky. So, sky is a unique one here. Next, I met dash by dash boy was lost. I met a boy, the boy was lost. So, here boy word is repeated for again. So, that is why we are using the here. Next, Mrs. Geeta bought dash umbrella and gumboots. So, here an umbrella. Why? Because U is an vowel. Before the vowel we are using article an. Student, I hope this topic is clear to you. Solve the exercises given from your grammar workbook page number 10. Thank you.